Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is pivot table. Okay, today I'm showing how pivot table works and what is pivot table and how it is work. Okay, so we need to we need to know about pivot table, how to use and when to use pivot table. Okay, so first of all, what is pivot table? So pivot table basically it's a data summarization tool in Excel. It helps us to calculate, summarize, analyze large data. Also, we find any trend, pattern, and also we compare data. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, we need to go to the Insert tab, and okay, first of all, we need to select the table. Okay, so I apply pivot table on this table. Okay, so after selecting the table, go to the Insert tab and then click the pivot table option. Okay, that's it. Then one message is pop up is it's showing the table range. Okay, whole table. Then there are two options. One is new worksheet and existing worksheet. So new action is if we choose new worksheet, then a new worksheet is open. Otherwise, if we choose existing worksheet, then it's open the location where I can open or where I can use pivot table. Okay, so new worksheet. Okay, see, it's open a new worksheet and see the all all feature already showing in there. Okay, so and also there are four options: filter, columns, row, and values. Okay, so I show you uh, use of those options and how we use. Okay, so it's a sample data. Check the description. I will give the link of this data set. Okay, no problem. So basically it's a normal four question. I just test it. Yeah, done. So the first question is group sales by region, person or category. Okay, so as you see, the region is east, west, south, north, and then it's so uh, group the sale by region. Okay, total sale. Okay, so region, group the sale by region. That's it. East, north, and south all are showing, and based on what total sale. So one question is, see the sum of all total sale, east, north, south, and west. East, north, west, and south. So if we sum up all of this, then we see the result. So in pivot table, there is a option. It's a default option. It's showing sum. There is no problem. I also change another like max, mean, average. Those also. So now, why I choose row for reason and why I choose some total sale in value. Okay, so basically, uh, remember one thing: the, mm, always we use value tab for calculation. Okay, so we use this value option for calculation, any kind of calculation. Okay, so I saw the total sale by region, then salesperson. Okay, so why is the salesperson? Yeah, so in east, uh, north, in north, done is uh, done is the selling person, and he sell uh, 2910 2910 total he sell. Okay, and category, which is category, then category is LEC, accessories and electronic, and then is same. Okay, so also showing product. Okay, reason is product in east, laptop, monitor, mouse. So selling laptop 4500, monitor 520, and mouse 200. Same as all. Okay, if I want the quantity, like unit price or unit sold, how much unit is sold. Okay, so east they sold total 17, total 17. So 5 laptop, monitor 2, and 10 mouse. So total is 17. And for north is selling, it sold 9 unit, uh, a keyboard, 6 keyboard, 3 laptop. Okay, suppose you want average. Okay, calculate sum of total sale. Already it's by default it's calculating. Okay, also number 2 also done. Count number of order per region. Per region: east 17, north 9, south 17, west 12. Okay, all done. And analyze the unit price average by product. Okay, so average price, there are two way. The easiest way is just go and click the value field setting and change what you want. Like I want average. Acha. Average price. Okay, so my unit price, total sale. So I want to select price. So some of you need average of total sale. No need to average of total sale. Some okay, no problem. Some of total sale, sum of unit price, sum of, now sum of unit price. Average. Okay. So yeah. So unit price. So total cell. I also no need total cell. Sum of total cell. I remove the field. Yeah, done. So uh, average unit price of keyboard is 29. We check like east keyboard, east keyboard. There are only two keyboard for north and west. Price is 30 and 28. So 30 and 20 58. So 58 average is 29. We all are know. Same as laptop, same as monitor, same as mouse. Uh, okay. So there are lot of option. What you want, you just see. Uh, so basically, it's easy to use. Like if you want to, how many units sold by uh, person, which person sold how much. Sales person. I don't want sold price product. Yes, I want product. I don't want date. Okay. So keyboard. I don't want price. Okay. So I remove the price. See keyboard. Bob sold 5 keyboards. Done sold 6 keyboard. Okay. Laptop. Alisa 5. Bob 4. Carol 2 and Dan 3. Total 14 laptop sold. Monitor 5, mouse 25. And so if I want to see based on region, just select the region. Total 45 of 55. So, okay. So I don't want product Bob sold. Yeah. So Alisa promised sold 17. Bob from West sold 12. Carol from South sold 17. Dunn from 9 sold 9. Okay. Total it's sum of units sold. If I see the 17 and all are mixed like laptop, mouse, everything. If I see uh, Elisa's sold 70 unit, but what is the product? Elisa from East, it so Elisa sold laptop, monitor and mouse. Laptop 5 unit, monitor 2 unit, mouse 10. So whatever you want to see, the pivot table is a very easy and effective technology. It's very easy to use, user friendly. So that's why we use pivot table. Basically, we also use filter for it, but when we have lots of data, billions of data, uh, then the pivot table is the best for it. So I show you how filter is work. Uh, no problem. Okay, this is the order ID. Okay, okay. So like first of all, okay, I want is sorry. What do you want? Mouse. Can you need? What do you want? So this way filter will work, but in pivot table, uh, is very useful. Oh, one more thing I want to show. Just a minute. Uh, suppose I increase the uh, I mean I update the data. Suppose done sold 60 unit. Okay, keyboard. So so I see done it, but it's showing only six keyboard done sold. But how I link both? Just do it. Go to analyze and refresh. See, suppose Carol the laptop 50. Okay, just go to analyze option and refresh. So laptop. So this so that's why pivot table work. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for today. Bye bye.